Hey everyone, we have a 1975 Buick LeSabre Custom, and if it's not the nicest one in the country, it's definitely one of them. It's a one-owner, 32,000-mile car that was well cared for, only summer driven, and then it was sold to a collector, a fussy collector I've known for a long time, and he brought it up to a pristine level. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can find 200 classic cars, all for sale. Each one will have a price tag and a monthly payment, including this one right here. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. So sure, the car was never driven in the winter. It was the last year for the convertible. The original owner ordered the car. We have the order sheet, we have the invoice, we have the build sheet. And he just used it as his summer car, took excellent care of it. And then after he passed, this collector that we've done business with for years, he has 30 cars right now. He bought it. All of his cars are like this quality. They're all big. He doesn't flip them. He does this as his hobby and his passion. So anyway, the car had original paint. He tried to get it up to his level, and it was really nice, but just not having it. So he had the whole car completely, taken apart and professionally repainted. And when you start with a clean car to start with, the end result's going to be fantastic. And it is. It's repainted. It's ruby red metallic. It's beautiful. It does have the small metallic in there, and it's all laid out evenly. I can tell you the paint job wasn't this good when it was brand new, because it's glass all the way down to the bottom here. It is buffed and polished, smooth as silk. Oh, fantastic. It even feels slick to the touch. All the body is outstanding. No rust, no damage. It has the sport mirrors. All these big panels are excellent, straight, line up beautifully, square, flush. There's a lot of iron in this car, a lot of metal. So completely professionally repainted to better than new standards. He took the chrome off the car and had it rechromed. And it's obvious when you look at it. The bumpers were rechromed, has optional bumper guards. The bezels look like they've been rechromed. Everything up here is all beautiful and sparkling. The windshield is original. It's crystal clear. Yeah, all the chrome, all the moldings were polished. Look at them big wide rocker moldings. They're not beat up or tarnished at all. All the rubber seals are all nice and soft. All this is clean. It has the metal door edge guards. That was one of the factory options. He had the car re-pinstriped. The original was tape. He had it painted on. That's the type of guy he is. And I'll really tell you the type of guy he is. He sent the original Buick mags and had those re-chromed as well. He has a chrome plater down in Tennessee, so the wheels are just gorgeous. Tires are just a few years old. Back bumpers re-chromed. Everything is sparkling, looking really sharp. Here's the original emblem from the dealership that sold it new. That's kind of cool to still have. He also put a new white convertible top. It's a power top, of course. I seen it when it was up. Just nice, tight, clean, bright white convertible top in excellent shape. So why don't we open up? I got a lot more beautiful interior to show you and the 455 that's under the hood. They do not make them like this anymore, and they never will. Look what a big car it is. And boy, these ride so nice. So it does have the lamp group, has a working trunk lamp. The paint under here is all beautiful. Here's the original stickers. The jam is painted slick like the car. The weather strip is replaced. Now inside it's clean spatter finish. On the trunk floor, all rust free. There's the original mat. And this is an original tire for a spare with another chrome 15-inch mag. Has the jack assembly. So all nice, clean, and complete. Yeah, subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon so you're notified when the videos are posted. Door jambs were all repainted. You can see it's slick as can be. Looks like you replaced the weather strips. Now the interior is original and it's practically new. Door panels are mint. They're not faded. They're not cracked. They're not chipped up. Has the nice wood grain. Power windows. Remote mirror. The whole dash area is mint. This is chrome plastic. It's not yellowed, it's not broken. Climate control panel, all that stuff. It has delay wipers. There's a rear window defogger, even though it's convertible. But all the plastic, the chrome, the lens, pristine. 32,165 165 actual miles. Here's the joystick for the mirror on the passenger side. Factory AM, FM, and 8-track. You better dig out your old 8-tracks or start hitting the garage sales. The ashtray doesn't look like it's been used. The lighter got used a couple times, maybe once or twice. All this is in mint condition. In the glove box, it has the pouch in here with all the manuals and literature. The original warranty booklet is in here somewhere, all filled out with the owner's name. They bought it new. And there's pictures of this stuff on our website. Oh, it comes with a Pink Floyd 8-track. There you go. Your collection is off to a good start. Interior lights work. And just, again, look how nice everything. Look at the carpet. Came with the optional mats. Look how clean they are. They're red. So this is what they call a 60-40 bench seat. It's 40% and 60%. So it's split here. So the driver can adjust where he wants to go without moving the passengers. It has the armrest cushion, real nice and comfy. And this is original upholstery, and it all looks fantastic. Same thing back here, beautiful carpet, the floor mats, and then all the upholstery wall to wall. Look how this isn't even worn at all. Not faded, not worn, not split. It has all the seat belts, all working interior lights. Has the convertible top boot, all matches, it all looks real good. Now we got a beautiful steering wheel. You can see it's not worn at all. Definitely substantiates the miles that's on here. It has tilt, it has cruise control. And the mirror, the visors, the pillars, everything is just excellent. There's a difference when you get to this type of quality car. You know, they're not like the others. You might look on the internet and find another one for half the price or less. It won't be this car. That I can assure you. These come with 350s. This has the optional 455. It's all stock. He detailed the motor, had the motor compartment serviced as well. But this runs as smooth as can be. It's the original motor. All stock air cleaner, valve covers, manifolds. It's show quality. Look how the metal, the firewall is all painted nice, but yet the raw fiberglass box is still raw fiberglass. All the wiring's clean. Looks like it has a new blower motor. Look at the gray on the hinges. Everything's proper. Look how smooth this is. The hoses, the replacement compressor. This is an actual Delco battery. A lot of times you'll hear me say it has the Delco topper. That's just a lid on top of a new battery. This is an actual reproduction battery. And then all this clear plastic, kind of a yellow plastic, the overflow bottle, the shroud, and the washer fluid. Look at how nice it is. The alternator was replaced. The clutch fan looks like it's new. Still has the sticker. Still has the horns. All the duct work for the air cleaner. It's an HEI ignition. We got power steering. Here's the cruise control. Even has the heat riser tube. New master cylinder. If you look up, there's a new insulation pad on the bottom of the hood. It's a beautiful, clean, proper engine compartment. Michael's going to show you just how nice it runs. See you in a minute.
All right, everybody, top is down and it's time to go for a cruise. And cruise we will in this beautiful 1975 Buick LeSabre. Holy cows, this is a sweetheart. Said to have 32,170 original miles on the odometer right now. And man, is it just rides smooth. We had a chance to loop it around the block. And you can see right here on this very bumpy street, it just eats up any bump or crack in the road that you can throw at it. What a nice luxury experience here. It's got a 455 under the hood and a turbo 400 automatic transmission for a nice easy driving experience. It also has power windows and power top and power steering, power disc brakes, and lots of goodies. Let's see what she's got. And just like that, up to 60 miles an hour without an issue. I tell you, the top down, I can't even hear this car running, man. This thing is sweet. What a dream machine. I'm in love. Let's see how it goes down the road. I mean, totally awesome. Very original, very dialed in, and just a pleasurable driving experience any way you look at it. I'm a fan of the big cars, and this one just does everything that I want it to. So come on and test drive it for yourself. You're not going to be disappointed. And check out all the pictures and details at volocars.com.
So even underneath this car is clean. He had that dry ice method where they went under there and cleaned and detailed the whole bottom. That removes all the dirt and grease and grime without touching the original paint or finishes. It's absolutely spotless, zero rust floors, all nice and black. All the suspension and chassis all looks real nice and clean. Up front, it has disc brakes. The e-brake assembly is hooked up. The gas tank is clean. Looks like it's original. Looks like it's the original exhaust. It has the catalytic converter. I think the muffler's been replaced, and then it has the resonator in the back, which could be original. He even detailed the bottom of the motor. It has its original turbo 400 automatic trans. Its numbers match to the car. That's clean. And of course, the rear end is original. It's got a nice cruising gear. I've driven these cars. They just float down the road. You can buy a new Mercedes. They're fantastic. Or a new luxury car. They don't ride and feel like these right here. And this is outstanding. The colors, the wheels, very attractive car. You want a full-size car, fit the whole family, fit the lawn chairs in the trunk. 455 motor. This one is special, folks. I'm telling you, it's a really good car from a really good seller, good collector. Go to volocars.com. Salesman can help answer your questions, including how to get this Buick delivered to your door. And if you need financing, they'll help with that too. Thanks for watching.